Hello children. Today we continue our first lesson. So children, kindly open your book, page number 15. Today we discuss about rounding numbers. Many a time it is not necessary to know the exact numerical value. An approximate number is enough to give an idea about the value. For example, Madhu's house is 14 km 853 meter from school. She says that her school is about 15 km from school. So children, instead of 14 km 853 meter, you can say 15 km. 15 is a rounding number. Turn the page. Another example is given. Mr. Mehta has 15,205 rupees in his account. He says that he has about 15,000 rupees. In the above examples, 14 km 853 meter is rounded to 15 km and 15,205 rupees is rounded to 15,000 rupees. About or around indicates a value that is close by but not the exact figure. These are one approximate number. We need to round numbers for convenience. We usually round numbers to nearest 10, 100, 1000, etc. Then comes to rounding to the nearest 10. Here some examples are given. Children, here one printing mistake is there. Instead of 8, you write 18. Here two rules are given. First one is to round a number to the nearest 10. Find between which two multiples of 10 the number lies. Second one, find two which multiples of 10 from the two multiples of 10 is the number closer and round it to the closest number. Let's see the example. First one is 18. Children, first you see 18 lies between 10 and 20. 18 closer to 20, then 10. So we can say like this, 18 is rounded up to 20. Why it is written rounded up? Because we move here downward to upward. Means 18, 19, 20. Like this we move upward. So 18 is rounded up to 20. But in the second example, 53 lies between 50 and 60. 53 is closer to 50 than 60. Here we move upward to downward. That is 53, 52, 51, then 50. So here it is written 53 is rounded down to 50. Children, clear what is rounded up, what is rounded down. Third example is like this. 85 lies between 80 and 90 and it is exactly midway between 80 and 90. Here we can say 85 is rounded up to 90. Don't say like this, rounded down to 80. Here we can say 85 is rounded up to 90. Then another some examples are given. To round larger numbers to nearest 10, consider the digit at ones place. First, you see the number. Here some digits are there. You mark ones place and tens place digit. Ones place is 1, tens place is 6. So, number is 61. Children, 61 lies between 60 and 70. 61 closer to 60. So 61 is rounded to 60. Then 53,961 is rounded down. The nearest 10 is 53,960. So clear children, why we write here 60? Then next example. 53,968. Here ones place is 8, tens place is 6. So the number is 68. 68 lies between 60 and 70. 68 is closer to 70. So 68 is rounded to 70. So 53,968 is rounded up to 53,970. Then 53,965. Ones place is 5 and tens place is 6. 65. 65 lies between 60 and 70. So you write like this: 53,965 each rounded up to 53,970. Comes to exercise. Turn the page. Exercise 1.5. Only one number is your homework. Round the following numbers to the nearest 10. First one is 6. 6 lies between 1 and 10 and 6 closer to 10. So 6 rounded up to 10. Then 3 number. 3 lies between 1 and 10 but 3 closer to 1. So 3 rounded down to 1. Like this you complete rest numbers. Here this numbers are, you can write. Suppose this example. This number 20,359. Children, you mark ones place and tens place. Ones place is 9, tens place is 5. So 59. 59 lies between 50 and 60. 59 is closer to 60. So 20,359 rounded up to 20,360. So like this you complete one number. Thank you.